Welcome to the Keytel Systems podcast. Today we are talking about why Columbus Industries rely on managed IT services to grow and stay protected. Cyber threats continue to rise across the United States, and Columbus businesses feel that pressure. According to the Accenture cybercrime study, 43% of cyber attacks target small to mid-sized businesses. Downtime, lost data, and exposed customer information can halt operations and damage trust. But as Christopher Haley, CEO of Keytel Systems, notes, embedding security into daily operations transforms technology into a driver of trust, efficiency, and future success. Healthcare, finance, manufacturing, retail, and insurance face daily risk. Hospitals protect patient records. Financial firms must meet PCI requirements. Manufacturers secure digital production systems. Retailers protect transactions. Insurers defend sensitive client data. Managed IT services support these goals. Remote monitoring keeps systems online. Patch management closes known gaps. Help desk support keeps teams productive. Integrated cybersecurity tools address threats before disruption occurs. Proactive IT management also supports operational continuity and future growth. It reduces troubleshooting and supports innovation. To learn more about how industries in Columbus benefit from the right IT partner, read the full article on our website. And remember to add Keytel Systems to your Spotify playlist.